Morning po again mga kababayan mga sir. This is Jong, the Filipino channel pa rin po ang inyong pong lingkod. So today nga is February ano nga ba ngayon? It's February 17, 2025 at tayo ngayon nagpupunta dyan sa Belmont Hotel dyan yan sa may Newport Boulevard, Barangay 183 pa rin Pasay, at dadalhin natin yan ng NAIA Terminal 2, Barangay 197 Pasay City. Okay po, so magbabalik po tayo mamaya pag nakuha na po natin sila. Disclaimer lamang po, ang content po natin ay kalsada at hindi ang passenger, kaya nga naman saka sakali man po na may marinig kayo mga pangalan po ng lugar, pangalan ng tao, pangalan ng organizations, government or private man yan, ay wala pong kinalaman ng channel na ito at wala pong pinapatungkulan. Lahat po ng pinag-uusapan dito ay pawang dito lamang po yan sa loob at wala pong pinapatungkulan sa labas. Okay po, so magbabalik po tayo mamaya konti pag nakuha na po natin sila. So manatili munang naka-play po yan habang tayo ay papunta doon at 900 meters pa naman po yung layo niya, malayo-layo pa. So manatili naka-play. Dadatlong banner na kita natin sa departure. Sabi ko, kunti pa lang flights ngayon.
In 100 meters, keep left at the 4, then in 80 meters, make a slight left. In 50 meters, make a slight left onto Andrews Avenue. In 300 meters, turn right, then in 60 meters, turn left.
I believe
In 100 meters, turn right. In 40 meters, turn left, then in 60 meters, turn right.
Ayan, so malapit na po tayo. Wait, so magbabalik po tayo mamaya pag nakuha na po natin sila. Also, pinapaalam ko lang po ito, pinakadascon po natin, nagre-record po. At tina-upload ko yan sa aking YouTube channel ko, Jam the Filipino channel.
Okay.
Turn left.
242.
Skyway po tayo po.
Terminal 2 ako,
Opo.
sir.
Opo, Skyway po.
Ah, okay.
Then turn right onto Sales Road. Then turn wrong, keep straight to the first traffic light. Then, in 300 meters, turn right.
That's where we went yesterday. See? Close.
So that's where we'll go.
Oh, it's a huge casino. Shop in the casino. Guys? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Shiny.
You're not change lane.
That
Okay.
way.
Completely changed. Good. You need to be mad sometimes.
Yes.
Talking rubbish, guys. He's talking rubbish. Don't listen to him.
Continue for 600 meters.
Just-
Down the light, man.
He just likes to mow his yard
Yeah.
twice every now and then. When he's home, he's got to the yard to mow now.
Just an old garden.
Oh, he likes the garden. Pull out all my weeds.
Yeah, that's good.
And I tell him to stop pulling out plants that he's not going to touch, but he doesn't listen.
A young Trevor.
If he's finished in the garden, darling, let him now clean the house and do the washing, do the ironing.
Oh no, he doesn't need to do any of that.
I'm off the floor, so.
Yeah?
Yeah. And then I'm like, what are you doing? Because I'm not used to people doing that for me.
Yeah.
Like, what are you doing? Even the kids are like, what? You mopped? You swept? Who is he?
45 there.
He's a new man.
We're not used to a guy doing that for us.
In 200 meters,
My job.
I can talk about a circular gun.
Is this like a troll?
If they said if a man is starting a gardening or look after a pet, meaning that's the beginning of getting old. That's the sign.
I'm like, what have I done? I've given him a yard to look after. It does look really good, guys. It's a really nice yard now.
Why before it's not?
Oh no, it
Wasn't maintained.
it just wasn't maintained. My son just mowed it.
That's it.
That was it.
In 100
Mum and Dad looked after the front, but just his backyard wasn't looked after.
Yeah.
And my ex did nothing, so it's just nothing.
Now you got Jason.
Now he's looking. It's really really nice.
Jason supposed to be lazy before.
Well, now you should see the place.
Play.
In the 12 months, he's done so much at home. He
Yeah.
doesn't stop.
Now he's good.
He's good now.
Yay.
Holy smoke.
I got the whip back, guys. No, he's
Rather
good.
mow the yard than go to the pub these days.
Yeah.
That's good.
Something wrong with it.
So they said to Joshua, it's about time, Joshua, that you need to start changing.
He still drinks a bit, doesn't he?
Yeah, your kid's getting old.
Do a trip over here for the cousin.
Oh no,
Brett still,
I'm not coming.
too many kids.
Don't wait.
No.
Come on,
You're
bring
bloody
kids
drunk.
out. I don't know what road we went last night, but we didn't go this way.
Who's going down or up?
Oh, guys,
Philippine
Overpopulation.
Looking better than in the sky right now.
House is Jason.
AIA road.
People still live on the
Yeah.
Nakita ni Sky mo,
Oh.
tatalagang tayo.
That's why when there's a fire here, they're dead.
Yeah.
Then electrical lines there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. You look when we go to the village, so the macaron they
Sure, it's all like this.
Huh?
It's all like this.
No.
This one is much better. Oh yeah, the one in the village in the ground.
We're staying at the village.
It's nice.
Continue for 700 meters, then keep left towards NAIA road. NAIA road.
I gave him up taxi money.
You're supposed to stay with you.
Your mom doesn't even pick up the taxi driver. I am not taxi driver, the kid from the back.
The bag.
Don't ask me.
In 300 meters, keep left towards NAIA road.
Ang panapuutan nga naglogan dali sa bitaw. Ang panapuutan.
Ah. Yes. time ito?
I drank Valium.
Have you tried Bella?
Oh no.
Taking two today.
Huh?
What's the name?
Keep right at the forward once we get
It's
in.
only 1.5 hours that. So.
It's just the yeah.
Yeah, other than that, I'm good. Take off and landing.
In 100 meters,
Yeah, big is the plane. I reckon.
It's probably the same.
No.
Yes.
No.
Oh, it's in the road though. Up in the
Well,
Oh, I thought that.
Hmm? Where's the water?
It's gonna die.
there's so much police and security.
Oh yeah. You can't run away, guys.
Is that a good paying job? Security?
It's
Not really.
it's
no.
big different in Australia. Sir.
Yeah.
In Australia, the policemen they hiding with the camera.
Yeah.
But here, police everywhere.
You have arrived at your destination.
Saan po? AirAsia or
Anong airline man ang
PAL?
Philippine Airline po.
Kaso po no. Maraming flights ang PAL.
Oo.
Wala na yung Cebu Pacific, puro delay.
Kasi Cebu Pacific sa 3. 3
Ah.
yun.
Ay, tray?
3, yes.
Sa hanggang Cebu Pacific. Dito, AirAsia sa PAL.
I'm not even bothered. It's not on that.
Hindi natin gaano may lapit doon. Puno.
O di bali na anak, maski dito lang sa
Saan yung Philippine Airlines?
Diyan lang.
Yan lang din naman.
Eh, diyan na oh.
Parehas naman yun.
Eh. We can go.
Ito.
Pwede rin ipasok sa gate siguro, no?
Mga anong driver.
Oo,
Ah, hindi marunong pumila. Siksakin natin yan,
Yes.
hindi wala magagawa yan.
Ah.
Ano magagawa yan?
Yan ang pagkakaiba ng driver dito sa ano eh. Pag nakapasok yung ulo, wala
Oo.
na. Diretso na.
Ito. Dito na tayo.
Ayos. Mana aja mana?
Ah, 287.
287 po.
287. Ah,
Wala ka to,
ang
three.
laking surat ang
300.
42.
Pwede naman ang.
Pati 2 yun din nga
Ah?
dating 250 kung kuna. Ikam lang sa nga gasuto. Yun din. Ato yun, nain. Ato yun, nain.
Ha?
Ato yun, nain. Adi papel ah.
Ay, ala tao?
Matitag mo kanya na.
Ah.
Cash. Correct cash ko na.
Ayun, so drop natin sila. So maraming salamat po sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli po, ingat. God bless po. Paalam po muna po samantala at tayo ay gagawa na ng separate video sa ating susunod na mga show. Paalam po muna.